viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet with MakerDAO. Yes, if you want to bridging or if you want to connect your MakerDAO, so this video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button, and please also click all notification if you want to get new notification of my all videos. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. As you can see here, we have last video discussed about Arbitrum. We have connected over Coinbase Wallet with Arbitrum, where you can easily bridging your coin one chain to other chain. So please must watch my last video, and also you can watch other videos about Coinbase Wallet if you are going to use. Okay. So today we are going to connect our Coinbase Wallet with MakerDAO. Simple right click on right top corner of my Coinbase Wallet. Going to enter my password here, and then click on unlock. After that, you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. I have not any balance on this wallet, but I'm going to connect my wallet with the MakerDAO. If you have balance, then you can easily bridge your coin to other coin. So you can see here I have login. Now going to click on or open CoinJacko. Now CoinJacko is open in front of me. This time Bitcoin price is $37,000 plus, and Ethereum price is $2,000 plus, and there is available Tether, and I'm going to check the rank of MakerDAO, which is we are going to use on this video. MakerDAO. As you can see here, MKR is available here on 49 number rank. Simple click on it. Now the page is open in front of me. This time price is $1,400 plus, and if we are going to check the all-time high of this token, so simple click on maximum. And you can see here all-time price is almost $6,000 plus, but today price is $1,400, and we are going to check the correct all-time low. You can see 76% down from the all-time high. All-time high is $6,200 plus. Okay. Maker is a smart contract lending platform that enables users to take over loan by the locking in the collateral in exchanges for the DAI. So it was founded by the Maker of Foundation of 2015, and you can also trade this coin on these exchanges like Binance, BingX, OKX, and you can also use other exchanges from this list. See all trading pairs. Okay. Now going to open the official website. There is shown the official website, also available the contact address of this token shown here. I'm going to click on this option. Now MakerDAO is open in front of me. This is a DAO project. DAO can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime. A better, smarter currency. You can also use or check the developer documentation. Also read the white paper of this, and also check the contact and foundation and community available here. You can use the blog, chat, and forums, and also you can see the world fastest unbased currency, and one DAI equal to $1. Okay, means this is a stable coin and decentralized governance community of MKR tokens holder. And also you can use the growing ecosystem, the 400 app in services integrated DAI. So we are going to connect our wallet. You simple click on the use DAI, and then the new page is open front of you, where you can connect your wallet. And if we are going to check, you can see here deposit DAI and earn 5%. You can also earn the rate for staking and also borrow DAI at 5.53% against Ether wallet and Wrap Ether assets. We are part of MakerDAO, that's why we have two best borrowing rates and virtual high liquidity. You can read also more information about DAO from this website. So let's launch this app application. Now the Ethereum network is available here and also Genesis. And if you have a balance, then your all network will be available here and also your net API available here. I'll read the terms and condition before going to connect your wallet. I just simply click on accept and connect. And after that, you can see here connect a wallet, browser wallet, or wallet connect, or Coinbase wallet, frame also. So I am using this time Coinbase wallet, so that I'm going to click on Coinbase wallet. And you can see here the pop-ups open in front of me. If you want to use other wallets, you can use browser extension. So you can use first option. Okay. Now connect the website. Let us see your wallet balance and activity. Let us send the request of transaction, and also fund will not leave your wallet until you execute a transaction. So I'm going to click on connect. So as you can see here, I have successfully connected my Coinbase wallet with the MakerDAO. You can easily borrowing and lending your amount here. You can see here your wallet is empty. Purchase or transfer asset. If I have a balance, then my balance will be shown here. You can also swap DAI, also USDC available here if you want to lending your amount, and if you want to also borrowing your amount. So you can easily connect your Coinbase wallet with this application. You can also search on your behalf, and you just simple open this website and you can check the all lending borrowing pairs on this website. Okay viewers, so as I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with the MakerDAO. And if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address, cryptowalletsinfo, and also you can comment below this video. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.